Hi, I'm Joe Ryan, an engineer here at Precision Digital. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the monitoring software available for the Nova controller line of PID temperature and process controllers. This software will work with any Nova controller with the RS-485 output option and is available as a free download at www.predig.com. For this demonstration, we have our Nova software connected to the PD548 that runs our engineering test chamber that we use for testing extreme temperatures on our products. In addition, for the purposes of demonstration only, we've got it connected to another PD548 on the same RS-485 line to show how the Nova software can be connected to multiple controllers and run them at the same time. Now let's take a look at the software and walk through the features and functions of it. Any Nova controller with an RS-485 serial output is capable of working with Nova monitoring software. The software can display up to 30 controllers at a time, so long as they're all on the same RS-485 network. The screen you see here is the general overview screen, displaying up to 30 Nova controllers. Right now, the controller running our temperature chamber is displayed, as well as our demonstration unit. Each controller shows its process variable, its set point, and the status of its 3 alarm relays on this screen. For a more detailed view of any given controller, you can select the process variable, set point, or title block, and it will display this specific screen for that controller. Again, you see the process variable and set point, as well as alarm indicators that are the equivalent of the LEDs shown on the front of the panel. You can see a brief trend line being formed that shows the process variable and set point. You can run or stop the outputs, switch between auto and manual control, as well as change your set points all through this screen. To change a set point, I simply program in a new set point value, and you can see it'll update. As an alternative, I can select an already existing set point value, and it shows that I've changed to set point 2. For initial installations, you can also begin auto-tuning through the software. To leave this screen, you simply select the process variable, set point, or title block again. Now let's take a look at some of the other options available for any particular Nova controller. In addition to what you see here, this trend line can be data logging. The data logged file can be viewed in the data viewer, which is part of the Nova monitoring software, which allows me to see any individual point along my data log graph, a list of all my process variable and set point readings that I've taken, or if I want to do more with the data, export it directly into Excel. The screen you see here is specific for a PD540 series basic PID controller. If I were using a 550 series ramp and soak controller, then I'd have the ability to run or reset or hold any of the 2 programs the controller can store. For that sort of controller, there's a convenient program builder that allows you to set up your ramp and soak segments all using the software, save them to your computer, and download them to or from the PD550 series model. The Nova monitoring software is a great free option for remote viewing, control, and data logging of up to 30 controllers. Also remember that all RS-485 capable Nova controllers also have Modbus capability for added customizable serial communication possibilities if you need it. For more information on our Nova monitoring software, the complete Nova line, or other Precision Digital products, please visit us on the web at www.predig.com. Thank you.